The Bonds Foundation, currently located off of Benjamin Franklin Parkway, just a few blocks from Center City, Philadelphia. The history of the museum does not actually start in Philadelphia. It was first located in Maron, Pennsylvania, but was moved to Philadelphia after financial difficulties and the relocation of Mr. Bond's art collection. The current museum opened on May 19th, 2012, with the unique concept of bringing nature into the classroom. The 93,000 square foot building now houses exhibition spaces, classrooms, offices, and many other amenities. The architects tasked with its creation were Todd Williams and Billy Tenson, a husband and wife duo that owned a firm in New York. Both graduated from Ivy League universities with a degree in architecture. They have designed notable buildings such as the Obama Presidential Center, Phoenix Art Museum, and U.S. Embassy Complex in Mexico. Williams and Tenson spent much time deciding on the limestone materials. They traveled to Israel's many quarries and factories that would cut and finish the products. The architects handpicked the limestone blocks quarried from Negev. Workers used ancient quarriform chiseling techniques to achieve the textured appearance. Raymond Gray was used on the exteriors and Raymond Gold on the interiors. The museum is composed of many natural materials sourced from all over the globe. The exterior is cladded in fossilized Israeli limestone, which gives it a dazzling contrast to its surrounding greenery. Also around the exterior is a shallow reflecting pool and the Barnes Totem, a stainless steel sculpture standing at its entrance. Perhaps the most prominent feature is its light box, made of etched glass, which rests atop the solid stone and concrete base. In section, you can see how the architects cut the solid box into its current shape. The result is an abstract form that bounces light around, similar to how a silver ball bounces around a pinball machine. Inside the light court is an abstract grid of Jerusalem stone that seems to protrude from the walls. Panels of woven silk and wool are also implemented into this design. On the floors, we see a mixture of repurposed rainforest hardwoods that came from the Coney Island boardwalk. As the space is used for live demonstrations, the thick walls and acoustic panels help keep the noisy atmosphere from entering the main galleries. In the main gallery spaces, stained oak strips are used to trim the rooms. Thick woven burlap acts as a wallpaper, and these finishes undoubtedly complement the artwork scattered throughout. Similar to the light court, the rooms have complex ceilings made of hollowed-out concrete, resulting in the creation of some remarkable curves and details. Knowing that too much light could damage the artwork, the architects invented ways to allow indirect light to filter into the rooms through ambiguous, hidden spaces. Many of the windows in the gallery are also closed or covered with linens, which also protects the artwork within. A unique piece within this gallery space is called the Dance. It is made on stretched canvas and was retrofitted into the complex curves within the hall's arches. The museum's traveling exhibit space is more focused on structural elements and concrete materials. The featured spaces are turned down and refinished 2 to 3 times a year, so portable and adjustable fixtures are used in this space. Furthermore, concrete structural members are more visible and material connections are less hidden. At the museum's lowest level resides a lounge area, gift shop, and some office spaces. A stained walnut staircase descends off the main entrance to access these spaces. The architects designed the said staircase to appear as if light was glowing from below the treads. The lounge at the museum's base was designed with oak wood floors and stained oak trim accompanied with dyed Belgian linens that are used to add natural pops of color. At its center is an entrance to the indoor atrium. Various trees and shrubs grow within, stretching to the galleries above. The Barnes Museum is a model of artistic preservation and design. Holding a LEED Platinum certification, the Barnes Foundation sets various standards in art, preservation, and building design.